viewers, welcome back to another video. For those that are new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So today's video is going to be my Sunday reset. Girl, we got some things to do, okay? We got some things to do. So in this Sunday reset, I'm just going to basically, you already know the vibes, reset my life, okay? Get ready for the week. And yeah, I need to clean my house. First things first. I want to do a little bit of like self-care. I got some new stuff from where I get stuff from. I got some new stuff from Marshall's the other day, so I'm gonna show y'all that. Girl, we have a lot. So it's about like 8 o'clock in the morning right now. So I'm about to get started with my day. My voice, oh my god. I'm about to get started with my day. Y'all, and I want to show y'all what I have been drinking. I have been loving these little poppy drinks. This is the strawberry lemon. I got me a different flavor. Let me show y'all. Let me see. Yeah, I got me a different flavor. So I have cherry limeade, and then I have the strawberry lemon. So I think today I'm going to drink the cherry limeade just to see how this one tastes, because this one is pretty good. I really want to get the, I think it's the ginger lime or something. I don't know, something with lime in it. I can't remember, but yeah, I want to try that because that's like right up my alley. So girl, if you haven't tried these, make sure to get these. If you don't know what these are like a probiotic or prebiotic soda. It's a prebiotic soda. So yeah, this, it only has 20 calories. This one has 15 calories, and it's not that much sugar. It's not that much sugar. 4 grams of sugar added. So yeah, that's not that bad. These are so good to me. I really like these. So I'm gonna have one of these today, but for right now, I'm gonna drink me a water. I'm trying to like drink a water first thing in the morning. Y'all, I'm starting my my weight loss journey again. I swear I've been starting my weight loss journey like 20 million times this year. Okay. 20 million times. Like, girl, how many times are you gonna be started? Can y'all feel my pain? Can y'all feel my pain? So yeah, I try to drink me a water first thing in the morning. So I'm about to mix in my Benefiber with this, and this is a prebiotic fiber supplement. It doesn't taste like anything, y'all. It's clear and it doesn't taste like anything. So yeah, this is, you know, fiber is good for you, and it's supposed to make me a little bit full. Girl, I'll still be hungry, but we're gonna use this today. But yeah, so I will see y'all a little bit later once we start getting into the little vibes.
Yeah, my nigga, we really poppin' this shit for real, nigga. Top off, I'm trippin' like hot sauce. I got drink in the clean raw. Baby, give me that mean mouth. Hit that pussy like golf ball. I can do this without y'all. I don't talk all locked out. I go back to the trap house. Spread that bitch in the belt down. Cash it in and I cash out. Turn that shit to a stash house. I ain't taking no handouts. When they callin', I'm in route. For them niggas, they been down. Blow it back when I'm in town. Is it gonna use the best? I don't really got a check. I'm about to flex. It's all in my pocket. Rocket diamonds on wet. I got water around my neck. I just started to relax. When the bottom bitch lit. I take my friends. Niggas sending me threats. I done bought them in the best. I'm protecting my flesh. Pour on my bed. Been the front of my head. I can never get a text. I should know I can see now. I got back on my feet now. I can take out my teeth.
I'm ready to do what I do. Tell me what you wanna do. Shoot your self-contained, semi-precious eagerness of it. I didn't realize it would sometimes feel more than whole, that the wholeness was a rather luxurious idea, because it's the halves that halve you in half. Don't know about the in-between bits, the gory bits of you and gory bits of me.
Hey y'all, so it's a little bit later, so I done had me a little shower. I did me a little bit of self-care. Make sure to check out my latest video if y'all want to see like an in-depth of everything that I use, because I just posted like, I think it was Friday. So yeah, make sure to check that video out. It's going to be linked down below. So right now, I kind of want to tackle my kitchen. I really want to organize my pantry because, baby, I feel like this pantry gets disorganized at least like once every 2 weeks. And it's just too much. So let me show y'all how it looks. It doesn't look that bad, but I need to kind of like put things in containers. Like I have cereal up there. It needs to go into that container. And what else do I have? I have like some oil I want to put in that container all the way back there. And yeah, just basically just organize this a little bit better because it's kind of looking janky. So yeah, that's what we're about to do right now. I'm about to organize this little situation, girl, because it's too much. So we're gonna do that, and then I'm gonna go in my bathroom and organize that closet. So yeah, let's get right into it.
Counting my bullets, I'm loading my clips, I'm writing down names, I'm making a list, I'm checking it twice and I'm getting them hit. The real ones been dying, the fake ones is lit. The game is off balance, I'm back on my shit. The Bentley is dirty, my sneakers is dirty, but that's how I like it. You all on my, I'm all in my bag, it's hard as to get. I do not snort powder, I might take a sip, I might hit the blunt, but I'm liable to trip. I ain't popping no pill, but you do as you wish. I roll with some fiends, I love them to death. I got a few mil, but not all of them rich. What good is the bread if my niggas is broke? What good is first class if my niggas can't sit? That's my next mission, that's why I can't quit. Just like LeBron, give my niggas more chips. Just put the rollie right back on my wrist. This watch came from Drizzy, he gave me a gift. Back when the rap game was praying like this. To act like two legends cannot coexist. But I never beef with a nigga for nothing. If I smoke a rapper, it's gon' be legit. It won't be for clout, it won't be for fame. It won't be cause my shit ain't selling the same. It won't be to sell you my latest little sneakers. It won't be cause some niggas slid in my lane. Everything grows, it's destined to change. I love you little niggas, I'm glad that you came. I hope that you scrape every dollar you pain. I hope you know money won't erase the pain. To the OGs, I'm thinking you now. I was watching you when you was paving the town. I copied your cadence, I mirrored your style. I studied the grace, I'm the greatest right now. Fuck if you feel me, you ain't.
Okay, so this is how my pantry looks now. It looks a little bit more organized. I got stuff in the bins in the correct way. And y'all, I have so many teas, like, yeah, it's just ridiculous. So I have teas right here, and then I have teas up here. Like, girl. But yeah, this is how it looks, y'all. I feel like it looks so much better. Okay, period. So now we're about to get started in my other closets in my bathroom. What is that, like a linen closet? Yeah, like my linen closet. So that's not really that bad, y'all. I just need to like kind of tidy up a little bit. I done got new products, so I kind of need to like just make everything have a place. It's not really bad. Let me show y'all. So this is how it's looking. It's really not bad, y'all. This bin right here is my main goal because I just have too much stuff in there. Like, it's just too much stuff. And I just organized this a little bit. I think I'm going to start putting some stuff in here. Maybe like some towels. Or I might put the washcloths that are in there. I don't know. We're going to see. But this is how it's looking before. Alright, y'all, so I just got finished doing my little linen closet. It looks so good, y'all. It just looks so neat and clean. I just love that. So I did a little montage, but this is like the full thing. This looks so good to me. I just like it. So I put my washcloths in this little bin right here. I got this from Target. This is the, what is this? The Magnolia brand. So yeah, I got this from Target. And then these bins, I actually got these bins from Home Goods. So yeah, and I got this from Home Goods too, y'all. So I just have my towels in this. This up here, I don't really have nothing going on. It's just, those are just like little miscellaneous things. So yeah, but this looks so good. So this is like all of my body care products and some of my skincare products. And then in this bin, I have stuff that I kind of don't use like that. This is if y'all seen this in my last vlog, well, not vlog, but I'm probably going to show y'all a little montage of when I went to go get this. I got this from Marshall's. This is the face mask by Dr. Jart. And girl, they were only $12.99 for a 5-pack. Baby, don't sleep on Marshall's. So yeah, I just have a couple of things in here that I don't use every single day. So I just kind of put it in here. So I have my little dental hygiene in this little area. And then down here, it doesn't really matter, y'all. It's a hot mess. I mean, it's not bad, but it's just like little things. So yeah, this is how we're looking. I think it's so cute. Okay, I love that black band. I just love that. So yeah, y'all, I'm about to eat my little lunch. I'm having me a little salad. And yeah, that's like nothing special. I don't know if y'all really want to see like what I'm eating for lunch. I don't know if y'all care. But yeah, girl, so I think I'm going to end this video up because I'm done for, okay? I'm done. I did a little bit of cleaning and stuff like that. But normally on Sundays, I just really like to relax and just chill out because honestly, I need to get my mental together because it's a whole new week and I just want to make sure I'm like really relaxed, okay? Because y'all know the weekend goes by like that. So yeah, I'm just gonna be relaxing for the rest of the day. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video up to this point. If you have watched it this far, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch y'all in my next video. Peace.